Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Trade Confident. We're going to go over VeChain today. Guys, VET has been a far overextended video. I'm sorry I haven't gotten to VET for such a long time, but we're definitely going to go over it today and actually some pretty deep detail. So I want to give you guys a full analysis today. Okay, guys, let's take a look at this. We're currently sitting at 101 for 101 trades on this channel. Guys, I just did a Matic video, telling this to you guys, but just because the channel shows 101 for 101, you guys know there's been a lot of trades taken and actually won by our traders while we've been within 101 for 101. New money's being put into the market. Guys, our buy limits literally update every single day. I'll show you guys the VET metrics today, which are just awesome to see what we're going into. Very bullish. We're looking to get very bullish. I'll show that to you guys. But just because we sit at 101 for 101 doesn't mean you can't keep winning trades. Like I literally just won, I think like a couple $100 the other day. I think it was on Linked. Before that, it was like AVAX. If you watch the videos, I've been calling all these out for you guys and showing this to you. But just because we're 101, we haven't gone up in this win rate for a while. New money coming in is winning all the time. Like it'll make sense in the second half of this video of how you guys can do that. I'll show you that in the second half as well as our indicator sell and all that type of stuff. But I want to deep dive right now into VET. So VET is getting very close to hitting our fourth buy limit. I know this isn't going to be the most favorable sentence I'm about to say, guys, but I really hope VET crashes below 6 cents. And here's the reason why. If this keeps going down, we are going to hit our fourth buy limit, and our break-even entry is going to actually probably come down very close to around this level of about 12 cents. Actually, even probably closer down to about maybe 11 to 11.5. This is going to give us a more favorable break-even entry. Okay, we've hit our third buy limit. We have not yet hit our fourth buy limit, so I want us to be watching that. Okay, let's take some projections here with some unbiased, like I'm not into just throwing out some numbers. Let's take a look at some actual realistic predictions of what we can see as far as pumps back up from what's happened in the past, okay? I like showing this to you guys because traders love to look at past price action. And this isn't just traders, institutions do this as well. I've coached institutions and even banks that are looking at this type of stuff. So look at this. When VET has been down around this area before, and I'm looking at this to maybe just come down a little bit further close to our fourth buy limit, okay? Because this has been where it's been consistent here. We have seen from this point of where we're currently at, guys, this is why you can't give up hope on this. Hold your positions. Don't sell out. It's probably about to pump, okay? We have shot up 119% from this area before. After that, we did 112%. You guys can clearly see this right here. The time after that, we did a small 43% pump. And then after that, we did 119 at structure high, which actually ended up pumping up all the way to 136. But I want to look at structure highs before we really started moving back down. 118, and then we come over here and we see this, let me pull this over so you guys can see this, 34%, and then we see this last pump we just had at 40%. So if you take all of these and average them together, is it safe to say we're looking for maybe probably about a 50%? I mean, 40 is realistic, 43 is realistic, 43, 34, 118, 112, 119, like there's no way I'm going to call 100% gain in here. Like that's not the normal here, but 50% is absolutely a medium here. It probably a little bit under aggressive for 50% pump. So I do believe this is why we could be getting very bullish in VET soon, VeChain, okay? And I'm watching this and I'm not selling these positions. Guys, full disclosure, I am personally not in VET. Okay, but I know a lot of you guys are. And when I've been talking to you guys over, coaching calls that we do, or when we start talking to you guys over emails, holding your positions. This is why. It is not smart, in my opinion, to start selling positions right now just to get a better break even, lower entry. Does that make sense, guys? Let me explain it different. Like a lot of people sell with the number one objective and motive to be to grab a lower price because it's going down. Well, guys, that might be the most unsmart thing you can do right now because at this place, we've pumped 112, 119, 118, 43, 34, and 40% looking for a possible 50% pump. I would hold VET final point. Okay, let's continue here. I'm going to show you guys the metrics. Look at the price versus the well money flow here and the trend exhaustion. Guys, the price versus well money flow is going up in price. You guys literally have this month only, and then they're going to be going up. Okay, watch this. I want to show you guys the trend exhaustion too. Look at this down here. Pushing into the bottom red section here, we ended up seeing that we got very close to this bottom entry here, and we started moving back up. Okay, when the trend exhaustion gets low, if this keeps heading lower and you guys actually start seeing the trend exhaustion come up here and start creating higher lows, this is what's called divergence, and you need to watch for the pump. Okay, the Matic video I just came out with, I showed you guys how this has already taken place on Matic, and I believe other coins are going to follow suit, and this will probably be our 102nd win. Let me show this to you guys real quick. Do you see here how price action ended up moving down? This is going to pull into today's analysis, so make sure you guys are watching this. Price action moved down, but if you go straight down on here, you guys are going to see that the trend exhaustion, however, started to move up here, showing that basically the trend was done going down and we were looking for a move up. Money also flowed into the market, seeing the pump was about to happen. That is how we were able to call this pump in here, and that's what I was looking for. Now, moving back over to where we were, let's go back here. Let me do this. Actually, let me go like this and pull back over here. Okay, VET. What I'm seeing here right now is that we're seeing the market head down here, but actually the well money flow is pretty much sustaining itself, if arguably not actually moving up a little bit here. Even the trend exhaustion is starting to see a little bit of move up. So this could actually be a place where we start to get very bullish on VET. Now, for those of you guys who have gotten into the lower positions on VET with our new buy limits because you put new money into the market, I want you to watch this carefully. You need to be watching the next time the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section and the well money flow gets high. Why? Because this is where our indicator is calling these drops with ridiculous accuracy. The trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section, well money flow high. What happened here? An overextension in the market, and that's where we ended up crashing down. The previous time before that was just this small move, trend exhaustion up here. But if you guys look at the lower time frames, that's where we ended up seeing this drop. This move up here with the trend exhaustion high as well as the well money flow high, this is where we started topping out, and that was a precursor for a drop back down. Okay, this move over here is saying, hey, we pushed up in the top section here. We're looking for the move down. We didn't get a big move down, but we got a little bit of one. And then we saw this overextension here, and that's what caused the big drop in the market. When you guys look at this and you start seeing the trend exhaustion moving downwards while price action is actually moving up, that is a precursor that we're looking to see a move back down, especially when well money flow is this high. That is when we're looking for drops down in the market, okay? And then again, calling this over here, if you look at this area, that is correlated exactly to that drop that happened. This move right here is exactly correlated to this drop. And if you look at this over here, that called this drop as well. Okay, are you guys seeing here? And if you guys look at the previous time we hit in the top red section, it was there and it was over here. We didn't hit top red section over here. It was very close. But this called the crash here that happened on the Friday night when I told you guys I was watching Shark Tank and updating all of you guys. We were watching that like a movie. Ridiculous. This also called the drop up over here. This called the drop down over there. So here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to set up an alert for this. I believe you need a Pro or Pro Plus account for TradingView. Snag it if you guys want. That's totally fine. If you have a free account, you guys can set up one alert, and you guys can do this on any coin you want. Come over here and click the Alerts tab, go to Alerts, and then come over here and go to, not VET, but click VET and scroll down to Trend Exhaustion. Now, I want you guys to set up Watch for Drop. Okay, I want you to watch for the drop on VET because I'm expecting VET to get bullish here, and we want to watch for the move back down. Under the alert name, go watch for drop. And if you guys want to do it here, sometimes I like to do this. I like to do like VET. So VET. All right. Now you guys can play a sound. You can do all this stuff. I like to have it notified to my app like a text message so I get alerted for this. So I'm going to click create. Now that we have that set up, sorry guys, please try again. Let's go like this. Let's see if I did everything correct. Watch for drop. Create. Let's do this. All right, there we go. Cool. So now when the trend exhaustion comes back up here, pushes into the top red section, which is between this line and this line, it is now going to send us out an alert for a drop back down. I've got this literally already set up on Matic to give us a call for the 102nd win. Guys, this is awesome. Like, this is super cool that we actually have indicators with this accuracy that we can use now to call drops. Because here's what I'm expecting. VET could possibly be seeing a 50% pump here. That's not unrealistic. If I came out here and said, oh, we're going to see 118 to 125% pump, like, come on. Let's not start making unrealistic expectations. A 50% pump is absolutely realistic. And let's take a look now. I don't want to spend like a ton of time on this because I want to get over to the metrics, but I want to show you guys a 50% pump. Yeah, that's absolutely reasonable. That's going to bring us very close to structure high, not unrealistic whatsoever. Okay, a pump back up, however, for those of you guys who are in the trades down here who got into our buy limits recently, you guys are going to be in some serious profit. I'm serious. Like, those of you guys, you'll see this in the second half of this video. For those of you who injected new money into our trades that we have, we've had buy limits hit down at these areas. I know this because I've been updating them every single morning. When you guys start to see the trend exhaustion get to the top red section again, that's most likely going to push us up to around this area. And this area here is going to be around this structure. Well, that's going to be around, let's just get some predictions out here, around about 12% profit for you guys in that trade. And you need to be looking to take some exits there because that's when we could be heading back down. Have I not proven to you guys enough here that the market moves down when the trend exhaustion is high and the well money flow is high? I could bore you guys to death. Maybe it'd actually be a lot of fun for some of you guys to look at the past data here and to see how accurate these indicators are. So set up the alert. I was joking about this in the Matic video about Iron Man and Jarvis, how Jarvis literally is like Iron Man's like sidekick, and he's like the AI that tells him things that's going to happen and like works with him. Guys, these indicators are like Jarvis. They're literally going to help you guys exit the markets profitably. So watch for the pump on VET and get the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow set up. Literally, shameless plug, they're 81% off right now for our sell-for indicators. Get them before they go up in price so you guys can actually predict these markets for yourself. Well, let's go over the metrics. Let's continue here. I want to do this fast and I want to get you guys in the next trade setups and show you how we're trading to actually win every single crypto trade, because that's what you want to do too. I know it is. Okay. Looking over here at the emotional index. We are sitting down here in the fearful and the anxious section. This is the best time to buy. I want you guys to just pause for a second. Sometimes on YouTube videos, us as creators, we get carried away, we talk too fast, we get into our own little world, and we don't slow down. I want to slow down here for a second. Do you guys see where the price is at the moment? You are going to remember this moment because we're going to take this slow, and you're going to remember this in the future videos. When we start pumping up here, you are going to remember, man, I really wish I got in here. Travis said, get some money into the market. Buy this dip. Guys, I have $30,000 ready to buy this dip. 33% of my account, about $30,000, still ready to buy the dip. Look at the highs over here. There's a high. Look at the high. Now take in perspective here and sit back in your chair, in your computer, watching on your phone right now, watching on your computer, and look at where we're currently at. If you guys have some money you want to put in the market and you think crypto's here to stay, I would be buying this thing like crazy, okay? I am considering, I'm giving us full warning, I'm considering putting about another 10, 20, maybe 30, 40, $50,000 into the market. I don't want to officially say that, but I'm looking at this myself and I'm like, do you realize this opportunity may never come back again in crypto? Never. Like, okay, I'm going to go over this, but let me show this to point to you because I want to point this out and I want to drive this home because there's too many people freaking out about this. And I'm over here saying, you know what, guys? This may never come back to these prices again. When we got into this capitulation stage over here and Bitcoin was super low and we got down to this area where people were like, okay, Bitcoin, we give up on Bitcoin. Seriously, I know people were giving up on Bitcoin. I saw the articles. They're like, okay, we're done. Like first psychology move of the market cycle, okay, great. We had the suckers rally and then we're done with crypto. That was the lowest point, and we have never returned to this area again. Bitcoin exploded after that. This is what I believe is coming for a lot of the altcoins, that we're going to be sitting around our tables one day and be like, man, Travis, back in January, or all of us, don't just say me, like you, back in January, we looked at these metrics here and we saw how low they were. And this is where we picked up a ton of crypto. And then we made tens of thousands, if not millions of dollars for some of you guys that I'm coaching here. Some of you are going to make millions of dollars because I know your account balances. This is a time to buy. Okay, let's move down here. Long versus short trade risk. We are seeing that the risk is actually on the side of short trades, and the favor is where the blue line is. This is the metric value. It is on long trades. I truly believe this, guys. Absolutely. This drop has been insane. I don't think anybody expected VET to move down this far without a nice pump back up. It has been detrimental to many accounts. Most of you guys are down about 50 to 60% in your account right now. I literally had a guy email us over email yesterday. They're like, if I were to do the buy and hold strategy, he quoted us about down 35%, and then he quoted us with the strategy that we're using. It was like drastically different. Okay, drastically. So follow us, trade with us, become part of our family here, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second here, and we'll keep you guys safe. All right, looking at whale and institutional smart money today, we are seeing that the acquisition of long trades is just insane. These guys know. They know something. I'm telling you guys, when these guys start buying this hard, they know something's about to happen. When you guys see this come out here and long trades spike like this, they're buying. And then you guys see spikes like this in the market, they're buying. And then we see market moves back up here, okay? Look at this. Taking this to an opposite perspective, when the market was moving up here, Wells and institutions came out here and they shorted. They completely took all of the greediness away from the retail traders and the market dropped like crazy. Look at what's happening now though. This is why we have these metrics in here. This is a good long trade, not a good short trade. Why? Because if it was a good short trade, we'd be seeing something like this. It is a good long trade because Wells and institutions are buying this thing and we are buying it as well. And that is why I think we could see a 50% pump soon and we could be getting back into the profit and it won't take that long. Literally by quarter one, we could be out of this trade in profit and moving on to the next ones. It's literally that simple, guys, and it happens fast. Okay, support resistance prices. Now let's get into the next trade setups for you guys. Looking at resistances here, the greatest resistance we have is going to be around 80 cents or around the quarters theory level of about 75 cents. So let's come here. So, my apologies, guys. 75 cents. Yeah, right. That's like way too high. How about 0.75? That's a better area to look at. 75 cents would be nice, however. So coming up here, looking at 0.75, looking at this area, we're sitting right about around this area. Looking at this, I would say, let me come back here. We're already down at that area. We need a higher perspective here. Let's look at about, let's look at, what's like 1 cent, that's too high. Let's look at the structure here. This is where I'm expecting to see a move back up. I would say around this structure high here or structure high there. That's going to give us about, like I mentioned, you guys, probably, what is it, around 30%? Around 40%, 30 to 40. So that's 30% there. And yeah, around 40, literally 30 and 40%. Close to that 50% we're looking for. That is where I think we could start moving here. VET is not going away, guys. Like VET is fine. The market's just all dumping together. Look at this. A dollar cost average entry. That is so fun to be looking at here. Guys, again, if you want to buy VET, now is an incredible time. Did you guys get that? Now, not tomorrow. Not the next few days, right now, today is the best time to be buying VET. This is going to come out and show you guys dollar cost average entries all the way down. This is awesome because we could have headed up here. We could have headed up here. We could have headed up here too. But guys, those people who are putting all their money into the market and they're just holding and they put all of their money into the market and they're not saving money for dollar cost average entries. They're holding the bag and they're going to probably be holding this for months and months and months. Those of you guys who use dollar cost average entry strategies like we do, you will be making money back far faster than anybody else. Calling the drop here on the exit points, calling the drop here as well. Okay, here's what you guys want to do today. This is where you guys want to start placing your trades and learning how to place trades with good risk management because this is how we're winning trades. Our membership to join our family of traders over here, it is only $49 a month. This is the absolute cheapest membership you guys can find online for this win rate and what we're doing over here and what we offer to you. All the metrics up here you guys get, all of the buy limits, the Telegram updates, the support over email, the videos over here, guys, it's insane what you guys are getting. So here's the deal. I talked to my team. We are most likely going to be upping the price of this April 1st of 2022. So literally like in 2.5 months here, we're going to be upping this price. We promise everybody that we will grandfather you in at $49 a month so you will not have to pay the higher price. Okay? Set this up today. This will give you access to every single one of all of our live trades, as well as all of the metrics for every single one of our 12 coins, including access into the Telegram channel where you guys get me as a coach. Literally, this is what Tony Robbins said, and it's never left me. He said, if you can, let me start over. Tony Robbins, you can accomplish anything in life if you simply find someone else who's accomplished what you want to accomplish and you copy them. That's what I'm giving you guys the opportunity to do over here, is to copy me and to literally maybe never lose a trade ever again. That is why we're blowing up over here. We're having a lot of people sign up and why we are hiring more employees to help you guys with this. That's why prices are going up to help with admin costs, just to be fully transparent to you guys, okay? Watch this. This is going to unlock the entire website for all of our metrics. It's going to unlock every single one of our live trades. So follow me here as we move down. All of our 101 wins, possibly 102 for Matic that's probably going to be winning this week, have all been called out on this one single page. Guys, all the trades that I've taken, every single one of them have all been taken from this page here. Follow me down here. We're going to be looking at VET this morning, but I will keep it private for our subscribers. So VET is right here. Click this. Here's what you guys are going to see. It's going to look the exact same on VET as Bitcoin, but obviously price structure is going to be different. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update, okay? So you're going to see 3 things. Price action is going to be in white, 4 buy limits, 1 sell limit. This can't get any simpler, guys. Follow me here. Take whatever amount you want to trade this coin with, or any of our coins. Say it's $1,000. Split this into 4 equal portions, $250 each. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits and their prices. $250 here, $250 at this price, $250 at this price, $250 at this price. So simple, okay, guys? Now, once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up for 100%. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green in your exchange for 100% exit. This is in case Bitcoin shoots up very fast. What you guys want to do on top of this is get into the Telegram channel where I'm going to actually call exits for you guys, literally like having me as a one-on-one coach where I'm going to call exits and giving you guys calls over here to help you make profitable decisions in the market. You need to sign up on Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then come over here and click the Telegram channel here. This will give you a hot link and it will add you guys into the Telegram channel where we've been going up. You guys can watch us. Like, I don't know, I probably shouldn't say this, but like, I know some people, anyways, I don't know, let's not go there. Point being, these are all authentic users. I know some people who try to authentically or unauthentically up their member subscribers. I promise you guys, I've never done that. Never, ever done that. So when you see this, we really do have like 4,500 traders in this group over here trading with us. And we have collectively, we calculated this, over $20 million. We have about $20 million in our crypto channel over here, and that's based off about 5% of the people that I've coached that I actually can vouch for because I've seen their accounts and I coach them, okay? So when we start looking at these indicators over here of being super accurate, like Matic being 15 for 15 calls, it's called the last 15 drops on Matic with the trend exhaustion and the well money flow. More people getting these indicators are going to make them more accurate, making you more profitable. It's pretty crazy. That moves me into this section here. You guys want to get in the Telegram channel, but make sure you guys are getting the indicators. So here's the sell, and here's the thing about the indicators. We are going to be upping the price of the price versus well money flow. I know, sad, super sad. This is no longer going to be the lower price it's been for quite a while, guys. We are upping the prices of everything because we are exploding over here and we need to pay for more admin costs and more developments that we're making for the community, okay? You guys want to do not miss this. You want to get the price versus well money flow, you want the trend dashboard, and you want the trend exhaustion. These are the three that I'm going to be using on my charts in the 2022 and the years in the future. They are so ridiculously accurate. We are not going to take this, I am not going to take this off my chart. These are the ones that you guys want, okay? Here's the deal though. The bundle pack up here, grab the indicator bundle pack for 81% off today because this is actually going to be a better deal than when we up these prices here on the indicators. Now this month, you have January only, and then this price is going to go up on the price versus well money flow. We are then going to up the price of the trend dashboard, and then we're going to up the price of the trend exhaustion. So it is paramount that you guys get these indicators now before these go up. You guys get 3 indicators here, and you guys get 6 more indicators if you get the bundle pack, giving you a total of 9. So the bundle pack doesn't only give you guys all the indicators with 21% off on top of what you guys are going to pay. If you pay for them individually, you're going to get 58 to 60% off. Fantastic, do that. Let's save you guys some more money and get the bundle pack. If any of you have ever purchased the individual indicators from us and you guys want to actually come out here and get the bundle pack because you want to upgrade here, don't purchase the bundle pack. Send us an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com. This is literally betradeconfident@gmail.com and say, hey guys, I purchased this indicator and this indicator in the past. Send me the difference and I want to upgrade to the bundle pack so I can get these before prices go up. That's what you guys can do, and we'll honor it for everybody because we are going to be upping the bundle pack price most likely this year as well because we're upping everything, okay? So make sure you guys get these indicators and set up the alerts like I showed you guys. This is awesome. Like, you're walking around with some of the... I think this honestly is the 2 best indicators to call the drops and the tops in crypto. Why are tops and drops so important? Because that's how we make money, guys. If you are walking around like this, pretend like, I know this is so cheesy, pretend you're Iron Man and you've got Jarvis in your pocket and you put the suit on, you're walking around with your phone and you get alerts from the trend exhaustion saying, hey, Mr. Martin, or whatever your last name, hey, Mr. Fleming, or whatever, I don't know, whatever your last name is, we're due for a drop. And then you literally check the chart and you're like, oh my gosh, we're due for a drop. And then you see the drop. Once you guys experience that feeling, it is insane. And it is so much fun to feel like, oh my gosh, you literally are walking around with a trading butler is what I call it, that is literally giving you guys signals during the day of being like, hey, you might want to exit. And then on top of that, you guys literally have me, Travis Martin, over here giving you guys updates on Telegram for all these trades of how to win. So you get me as a coach. You guys also get the indicators like Jarvis over here, kind of calling out if you guys know what Jarvis is, it's going to make no sense. Anyways, it's like an AI thing that helps Tony Stark like do amazing things in life. So when you guys have that set up over here, you are set up with a team. You have me as a coach to help you guys trade crypto. I am putting my money where my mouth is, and I have $100,000 over here. So I'm not just like casually looking at getting you guys in and out of exits. I'm doing this with you. So I am dedicated. I am not letting my $100,000 go down. I'm making as much money as possible, and I'm in these trades with you guys. That's how you know that I am sincere, and I am literally in the trenches with you guys, and I'm going to be calling exits here because I want to make money. Okay. So you guys get me as a coach, get the indicators, get the membership, set that up. What you guys need to do today is get the membership over here for $49 a month. Get that. Lock it in before prices go up. Do it. Okay? I'm pausing here. Get that before they go up. Then set up your indicators today. They're a one-time purchase. This is not a monthly purchase. The membership is. The indicators are a one-time purchase, and you get the source codes. For those of you guys who know what that is, you get the source codes to all of our indicators. Set that up, and then get into the Telegram channel down here. Click Telegram. It'll give you guys, I'm not going to click it because it's a hot link actually into the Telegram channel. You guys will get over here and you can start having me. Literally, you're going to get me as a coach. You guys in Telegram, because I'll be calling out exits of what I'm doing. You can copy me, just like Tony Robbins said, copy the people you want to be successful with. You'll get me as a coach. You guys will get the indicators. You get the membership, and you will also be getting everything before the prices go up. And then you guys get email support with Jake and Josh, who are my team, which are absolutely amazing. I also help over emails if you guys need support with anything. Everything you guys need to trade confidently in 2022, I believe you guys can get right here. We have the highest win rate on YouTube. It's not to be cocky or arrogant. It is where we are at. If we don't someday, I'll be honest, but I think we're going to just keep doing really well here because our risk management is dialed in. We've been doing this long enough. I'm having my money where my mouth is, and we are going to do this as a family this year, and we are going to stay consistently profitable. We are going to manage our trades well, and I will help you guys trade confidently and to help you guys maybe never lose a crypto trade ever again. That's what you guys get over here. This is what the awesome part is about being part of this family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys get the indicators and the membership. I put links in the description, as well as I've pinned a comment to this video on YouTube so you guys can get the links to all of our indicators before they go up in price in the membership. So get those set up. God bless you guys so much. I pray peace over you guys. Do not freak out in this market. Watch for the move back up, a possible 50% pump, and make sure you guys are getting everything set up. Join our family, and let's have a blast trading into 2022. I'll see you guys later. I'll do one more video today, and then we're going to be helping you guys out over emails today. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys later. Get everything you need in the description because the price per sold money flow is guaranteed to go up at the end of the month. So make sure you guys snag those. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.